Hi, my name is Sarah Facey and I am a PPI student. I'm an engineer working in the power industry. I got my bachelor's in electrical engineering in 1999. My first employer was a small employer with only one PE on staff, and so I did not focus on getting my PE at that time. But now, later in my career, I'm employed at a wonderful, large power company, and I've had the opportunity to work with several PEs, and I became interested in getting mine. I know it will help my career path as I advance over the next 10 to 15 years. So I had been out of college for 17 years when I took the computer-based FE, electrical and computer. So I knew I wanted to do a review course, and I knew I didn't want to do it twice. So I chose PPI based on their guarantee. When I graduated from college, on-demand learning was nearly non-existent, so I chose the live online course option. I liked our instructor, Munir Khatib, a lot. Of course, he was working from prepared coursework, but at any interruption, he was always able to stop and answer questions. He was very available via email as well, and he kept on top of the grading. I also liked that he would stop and try problems during the class. It kept me engaged and accountable. There were a lot of topics that I hadn't looked at in years, and I spent a lot of time out of the class doing the homework problems and looking at supplemental topics. One benefit that I really didn't realize in advance was that PPI organized your practice problems all by topic. It's helpful to do several different iterations of the same type of problem at once. I like the quiz bank too for that same reason. I did feel stressed about my knowledge base, and a lot of the work was difficult for me, but I committed to the process. I attended the lectures, I did the homework problems, I spent extra review times on areas that I had forgotten, I took the practice quizzes, and I took the full practice exam as scheduled with the appropriate breaks and everything. PPI's methodology worked, and I am so glad that I chose them. I took the required practice exam, and I only got a 37%. I was not feeling very confident, but our professor said our best odds were to take the actual exam within a week of the course ending. So I went into the testing center and I took the exam, and I felt cautiously optimistic. Within a week, I got my results and I passed. It's great to put this behind me and to move on to preparing for my PE exam. I really appreciate the prep that PPI has done. It is not an easy test, and this is definitely a review course. You have to have taken the subjects previously. But they give you the exam strategies as well as the subject review to make you successful.